In this video, we're going to look at how to use the eraser tool to clean up some of the edges on your images. So, as always, when you first start, you want to double check that you're on the correct layer. And in this case, I am. And you can use the eraser tool if you hit keyboard shortcut E. The tool options bar will switch to give you your options for your eraser. Two things you can work with are the size, so making it really big, or making it really tiny, and the opacity, which is how see-through the eraser is. So if I turn this up and I left click and drag across my screen, it's a 100% opacity. So what I just erased is all the way see-through. I could turn it down to 40%. And as you can see, it's creating a line here, but the flower is still a part of the image. I'm going to hit Control-Alt-C. In my case, I just use the selection tools to get the background separated from the flower. And now I want to go into where some of these edges look a little bit choppy and just clean them up. So I'm going to go back to the Move tool to make sure I don't accidentally edit anything. And then I'm going to hit Control+ to zoom in. H to pull out the hand tool. And then I'm going to go over here. And you can see the choppiness of the pixels from using the selection. So if I select E on my keyboard, my eraser is pretty big. I'm going to turn the pixel size down to like 3. And I might hit Control+ again, so I'm really tight. And if I just left click and drag, and I want to turn the opacity back up, I can start cleaning up these edges. If you make mistakes, you just use Control-Alt-Z to undo. If you go around the whole object, you can already see that small part I erased just looks a little bit more cleaned up compared to like the edge right here where it looks funky. Erasing just takes time, but the results of a clean edit like this will make your project look that much better.